Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change Messenger Secure Storage PIN. So to change your Messenger Secure Storage PIN, open the Messenger app, then tap on Menu at the bottom right corner. Next, click on Settings. Next, scroll down and go to Privacy and Safety. Next, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then look for Message Storage or Secure Storage. Then tap on that. And from here, look for Reset PIN and click on it. So here, create your PIN. Confirm your PIN, and PIN has been created. And that's basically it. So that's how you can reset your PIN. You can also click on more options. And here you can enable auto sync and you can enable PIN reminders. So PIN reminders let you practice your PIN on your trusted devices. They also allow you to reset your PIN so you can avoid losing access to your chat history. And that's basically it. So again, open Messenger app and go to menu at the bottom right or the three lines. So once you click that, go to settings. Then from settings, go to privacy and safety. Then in here, go to end-to-end encrypted chats under security. Open it. Then go to message or secure storage. Then just click on reset PIN. Then create your PIN and confirm your new PIN, and that's it.